Hey, it's Lindsay. Up next, I have a high intensity, low impact leg and booty workout. It's gonna be a lot of fun and it involves no equipment. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking the little icon in the corner of this video. It's completely free and it helps to allow me to make more videos just like this one. Okay, are you ready to get started? Because we're about to get fit and flexy right now. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. The way this workout is gonna work is it's gonna be 10 minutes long total, and it's a leg and booty workout. So let's go ahead and warm up our other side for our leg, trying to balance and stand here at the same time. Good. And back. Good, so we're gonna be starting with a quick warm up, and then we're doing the 10-minute workout, and then we have a quick cool down with a little bit of flexibility as a reward after. Good. And let's go into stretches. So there, and up. There, and up. Good. One more. And up, and down, and up. Good. Let's go ahead and do quick quad stretches. So here, tuck your hips under, stretch, and switch. So our first exercise is going to be doggy kickbacks. It's going to be 1 minute, and then we're going to alternate with a minute of lunge step forwards. Starting in about 45 seconds. And let's go into walking steps, stretching our hamstrings, forward, good, and back. Good, and 30 seconds, forward, and back, last time. Okay, very good. So, we're starting in doggy position, so we're here and ready to start doing bent knee kickbacks. So 8 seconds, getting ready, keeping our shoulders square to the ground, not rotating. 2, 1, and go. Good. Squeeze that booty, squeeze that hamstring, lift up high, but not too high that your belly sags. You want to keep your hips tucked. Good, keep it up, keep pushing. We are starting out on a good note today. This is gonna be a great workout. 30 seconds, keep it up. Feel the burn. Good, and lift. Use that hamstring to lift higher. Active flexibility. Good, we have about 10 seconds, so keep it up. And then we're going into lunge step forwards for 1 minute. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and up into lunge step forwards. And the goal of this is to push back and meet your feet together in one step. So lunge and meet, and lunge and meet. Okay, good. Let's keep our chest upright, up high, not letting our chest come down and rock to throw us. We're keeping it up and using our quads. Gonna build a lot of leg strength today. Gonna get strong, gonna get flexible, gonna get fit. About 10 seconds. Good, and then we're gonna go into doggy kickbacks on the other side. 5, 4, 3, last one, and doggy kickbacks. So here, and kick back. Good, keep it up. use that hamstring, use that booty. Good, less than 30 seconds. And lift high. And squeeze and lift, 15 seconds. Lift to the sky. 10, 7, 6, 3, 2, 1, and lunges. Here we go again. Lunge and push back. Lunge, push back. Step and up and feet together. Apart and together. Keeping that chest up. Squeeze, whoops, those quads. Good. Good job, you guys. Keep it up. We are working hard today, and we are gonna get this done. And 20 seconds. And lunge and push. Lunge, big push. 10 seconds. Next exercise is going to be glute bridge. So lifting our hips up to the sky in 3, 2, last one, and glute bridge. So we're here on the ground, going to be an angle here, and we're lifting up. So here, lift up and hold, 2, 3, and down, 2, 3, and up, 2, 3, and down, 2, 3. Lift up, 1, 2, 3, and down. And lift up and hold and press up high and good. 30 seconds. 2, 3, and down, 2, 3. Up, 2, 3, and down. 20 seconds. Keep lifting, use those hips, use the booty, use those hamstrings, and down. Good, only 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, good, and into lunges. Here we go, and lunge, push back. Lunge, push back. Can you go faster? Lunge, push back. Good, keep it up. Keep that chest up. Be proud, be strong. You are working hard. Good. And lunge, push back. Good. 30 seconds. Make sure you keep breathing while you are doing this. Good, 14 seconds, almost there. Next is gonna be laying side kicks. Working all the way around our legs today. In 3, 2, 1, lay down on the ground. We're gonna be here and on the side and kick up. And so on this one, we don't wanna rotate our leg to kick high like that. We want to keep our foot pointing forward, so we're using the outer side of our leg. And lift and up, lift and down. And these don't have to be super fast, just like medium fast. 30 seconds. We are getting to the last little bit of this workout because we only have one more set of lunges and then other side of this leg, and then lunges, and then we are all done. 15 seconds. Squeeze that booty. Squeeze that leg. 4, 3, 2, last one. And up to lunges. And hands on hips, and lunge, and back. Good, I can feel it in that leg. I cannot wait to be evened out because I I am feeling the burn a lot more in one leg than the other. Good, keep it up. 40 seconds. And lunge and push and lunge, push back. Keep that chest up and keep on pushing. Good. More than halfway done. "14 seconds. Lunge and push, and only one more of each thing. 4, 3, 2, 1, and laying side kicks. So we're here on this side, lifting our foot up and down, up and down. Good, working the outer side of that leg. Good, keep lifting. We are at about 30 seconds. "15 seconds. 13. Almost done. 10 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Last one. And up. And lunges. And push back. This is the last set. So all out. Get as many as you can do, because we are gonna get to recover after this. Good, and lunge and up. Push back and up. And faster, keep kneading those feet together. And up, 30 seconds. We are almost there. Almost to the easy part that you have earned. 20 seconds. And keep that chest up and squeeze, push. Good, 10 seconds. And here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fit one more in. Good, and we are all done. Let's go ahead and stretch it out. So let's go ahead and stretch out our legs. Let's do a standing straddle. And reach down to one side. And relax and over. And the other side. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings. And 2, 1, down to the middle. And if you can, reach through, using that flexibility that you have gained. Trying to keep those knees straight. Good, and let's go into laying quad stretch. So we're here on the ground, and we're gonna keep our hips tucked under so we're not sticking our butt up like this. Our hips are pressed flat against the ground, and we're pulling our knee to our butt. And if you want to, as long as your hips are tucked under, you can lift that leg off the ground. So you feel an even bigger stretch in your quad. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch sides. Keeping that hip tucked under and pulling that quad toward you. Keep it up. Keep pulling, keep stretching. Good. And let's go to straddle stretch. So let's reach over the top. Good, and other side. Very nice. And down to the middle. Good, and last stretch, last 20 seconds. We're gonna be doing butterfly stretch. So we're here, trying to push our knees to the ground, and let's hinge over. Five seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Very good job today, you guys. Nice work, and I will see you tomorrow. Thanks so much for working out with me. Let me know in the comments how that workout went for you, and also make sure to leave me a like if you liked that video. I release a new workout just like this one every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see all my new workouts. See you tomorrow.